Okay, we're going to start this out by taking Long's tuk-tuk and his wife and the shopping bag, and we're going to go to Sakram and get some stuff for dinner, and she's going to cook it for us. So let's hop in the tuk-tuk and let's go for it. There's Salik and Karen's homestay, real close by. And once we get out of the neighborhood here, we're going to go to Sakram. That means it's Market Kram, and that's only about 3 kilometers away, so it's not too far. Gosh, I could even walk that, but I got lazy and I bought a motorbike. Maybe school's just letting out for lunch. They usually let out for about 2 hours during the hottest time of the day. Wouldn't that be nice here? Kids in America get a 2-hour lunch break. Oh, going to take a shortcut I don't know about. Oh, good. I've always wanted to go down this road. Okay, here we go, and I'm following. And we're gonna go. Oh, busy today, busy. Look at that. Oh, giving away things. We're gonna get some lettuce there. Picked up some more long beans and some carrots for the fried rice. Normally it's done with white rice, but we're going to make it better and yummy with some fried rice. Okay, now let's go get some beef. Where's the beef? Hello. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going to go around this way. They just got a little bit of about everything here that you can wish to get. It's like any typical wet market in Southeast Asia. Some are bigger than others, some are smaller, some are a little more newer. Oh yeah, we need to pick up some oil to cook it all in. You'll be on YouTube now.
No speak English.
No speak English. Yeah, you just did. You just said speak English. Well, there we got all of our stuff that we need. Don't know how much it cost yet, but I'm going to try to get a guesstimate on how much I spent. And it's we had 1 kilo of beef, so that's a lot of Lok Lak. Enough to. Okay, we're all done cooking. I mean, all done shopping now. So we're going to go and take a look at kind of a traditional my house. Yeah. After our shopping, we're going to watch Pao make some delicious Lok Lak. We got cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and long bean, and 1 kilo of beef. And we're going to cook it on one stove like that. Now washing all the vegetable.
Con nhâm. Lấy liên tiền à, bao bao tao rồi. Chia thì được. Đang nhâm.
The chickens are happy today because we're eating beef.
Ai mua plơ đã khơi nhé. Mua về đi mà cơ hội. Tớp.
Oil, garlic, a little more garlic. Okay. Putting the Lok in the Lak. That's the Lok, that's the Lak. I don't know. Sugar. Secret sauce we don't know. More sugar. We don't know. MSG. Pepper. Uh-huh. And that is oyster sauce. That's the oyster sauce. Now she's putting in the fish sauce. Too bad you can't smell it from here because it smells real good. Look at that. Teamwork makes the dream work. Putting the Lok on the Lak. Look at that.
Lok Lak.
Yummy. Yummy. Yeah, he had one job to do, and he almost let the fire go out. Now you got it too big. Okay. Get a good scramble going on there.
Hollywood. Okay. Oh my god. Basta wala na. Okay.